It is one of the classiest and most elegant cars Mercedes Benz has ever produced. It is a top-spec model of the W113 range that replaced the legendary Mercedes Benz 300 SL and 190 SL. Welcome to another exciting classic cars on DubiCars episode. Today we're taking a closer look at this pristine 1917 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL listed by Approved Automotive on DubiCars, your go-to platform for buying, selling and researching cars in the UAE. With just over 53,000 kilometers on the odo, this car is in excellent condition. Let's get to it. In the 1950s, the US economy boomed, leading to the creation of the impressive and legendary but pricey Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. When that was too expensive for most, the 190 SL came along, but it was a bit of a letdown in terms of performance. After the tragic 1955 Le Mans disaster, Mercedes-Benz pulled out of motorsport, allowing the next SL to focus on luxury and premium feel rather than racing-derived performance. The 280 SL produced between 1967 and 1971 came with both a removable hardtop and a foldable soft top in one. How cool is that? Now let's talk about the design and styling of the 280 SL. This car was ahead of its time in so many ways. Its clean lines and balanced proportions give it a sense of timelessness. Whether it's a gently sloping bonnet, the iconic headlamps, the chrome accented grille or the massive 3-pointed star on it, every element of the 280 SL's design adds to its elegance. One of the standout features of the Pagoda is, of course, its hardtop roof. The concave design of the roof at the center, combined with its overall shape, is like the roof on the traditional pagoda buildings in Eastern Asia, thereby earning this car the nickname Pagoda. It rides on 14-inch steel wheels with this beautiful hubcaps. The design at the rear is rather simple. You get the Mercedes-Benz Star 280 SL badging and offset dual exhaust outlets. The split chrome bumpers even feature the period-correct sharp tail design, and you get a rather unique fuel filler positioning. The 280 SL features a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury and simplicity. It features high quality materials from the leather upholstery to the wood trim on the dashboard. The design is minimalist yet functional. The large steering wheel, clear instrumentation and comfortable seats make sure you have a drive experience that's both engaged and relaxed. This particular car is so well maintained that every bit in here feels factory fresh. From the pleated door pockets, the carpeting on the floor, the gear lever, the radio and even the clock, it is interesting to see how well they've been preserved for almost 55 years. The 280 in this car's name is derived from the 2.8-litre engine under the bonnet. It is an inline-6 unit that produces 167 horsepower and 244 Newton meters. Now that might not sound like much by today's standards, but remember this is a car from 1970 and those figures were more than adequate for the period. This particular car features a 4-speed manual gearbox that drives the rear wheels. Its power delivery is linear and smooth, and thanks to its relatively low weight figure, this car delivers a superb driving experience. There's no doubt the Pagoda is among the most gorgeous classic cars out there. However, it's more than just a pretty face. This is a car that has aged gracefully and its value has only increased over time. Only 23,086 units of this car were produced, and if you're looking for one of these, it would be hard for you to find one that's in a better condition than this at this price. Find this 1970 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL from Approved Automotive on DubiCars. Make sure to download our app and turn on the notification settings to get the latest updates on cars. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DubiCars for more automotive content. That's it from us for now. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, drive safe and keep the pedal to the metal.